In this episode, I'll visit two of my top priority locations in the Icelandic highlands. This is like nothing I've ever seen before. It was exactly something like this I came for. This is just absolutely fantastic. This is one of the top locations I've wanted to come since I started researching the highlands. And I am going up that mountain here in the background, and then I will follow this rim all the way through these mountains and up to that rock there in the background, and then a little bit further. It's not supposed to be that long, but that first hike uphill there looks a little bit dreadful. If I look tired, it's because I am, but mainly also because it has been awfully dusty today, very dry. So there's so much sand in the air, as you can see here. And it just gets into your eyes and it's just annoying. This place is not easy to reach, as there are several water crossings along the way, which I really did not enjoy crossing. Some of those water crossings can be really deep and full of stones, so be extra careful. Keep your eyes on safetravel.is, as they'll report on the road conditions. So sorry for the bad audio quality, but I can't take my microphone out. But seriously, this landscape, it's like driving around in a theme park on steroids. It's like on another planet. This is probably how Mars looks. It is just nothing you've ever seen. Maybe unless you live in Utah. The drive in there were long and mentally demanding, but I surely was excited to finally be at this location despite my tiredness. This place is just insane. There's just already now, I'm not even at the top, so much to photograph all the way around, and the light is starting to get really good. We're entering the golden hour, and all the dust in the air, I kind of foresaw this. I saw it a little bit yesterday when I was driving in here. Just makes so much atmosphere. You can't really see the details of the faraway mountains, but it just makes for such epic minimalism in some weird way. This is just fantastic. If effort had any influence on how good a photograph was, these photos would be some of the better ones, that's for sure. It's so windy here. Like, all the dust comes into the eyes and the nostrils and the mouth and getting pushed around in the gusts. Quite crazy, but yeah, it's worth it. You know, it's always worth it. This place is just like nothing I've ever seen before. It's just crazy. It looks like some dragons have been fighting here, like big dragon war. Looks like the mountains have been melted and molded again and again and again. It makes so much sense that visual artists and so forth get the inspiration for dragon landscapes from something like this, like volcanic landscapes, because it makes so much sense. This place is just so out of this world, and I'm getting exactly what I came for. Just the mountain in the background, and then having this, I don't know, Icelandic version of Old Man of Store, cracked lava rock in the foreground, and then I have like a little mountain ridge going in front, also, which just like kind of helps framing the mountain in the background. This place is just what? It's fantastic. Seriously, I just feel like a kid in a candy shop. This place just keeps giving and giving and giving. And I am working fast because the sun will go behind the mountains eventually. But luckily it's not happening that fast because we are so far north on planet Earth. But oh wow, like, and then all the dust being twirled, I don't know, blown up into the air. Just gives so much more atmosphere. Oh my god. So I'm going for a really wide shot right here, where I'm trying to include the two rock formations in both sides. And then I have this crazy foreground, which is just like, I don't know how to describe it. Like a dragon just took its claw and launched all the way down through the rock. Looks insane. And then we have the valley in the background and the mountain straight in the middle, as always. Nice central composition. And then we have like dust storms in the background also. This is just, yes, I'm lost for words, as you maybe can see. I don't know, I'm babbling. So I just have a minor break while the sun is behind a cloud. And yeah, right now I'm actually at a location where I've seen one of my favorite photos from Max Reeve. And he actually has a photo which is a bit more zoomed in than what you can see here. And there's a person standing here and a person standing there on this top here. And I know Max can climb and stuff, but that's pretty impressive to have two people standing on those two spires. When the sun finally came out, I had to work fast to get the photos and try out a few different compositions, and there were no time to vlog. I had found another cool foreground which was a bit like the previous, but I definitely preferred this one. So the sun has set behind the mountains here in the background, and it has just been an absolutely insane evening. I've got so many keepers. There's still a bit of light left, so I will start heading down. Here's a drone sequence, and after that, the photos.